You're probably wondering, what is this hideous thing behind me? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you what we got going on back there and how we're gonna make some money with it. Let's dive right in. So this is a 1979 vintage trailer. This is the brand Scamp. This thing is really cool. It's lightweight. It's all made from fiberglass. We purchased it out of Arizona. We drove down and picked it up. We got it for $6,500. And the first thing that we did to it was gutted it. Let's check it out. So on the interior of this space was all fiberglass furnishings. We've removed everything. We're refurbishing it. And then here we applied our ceramic insulated paint, so it does give it a nice R value on the interior. We took out all of the windows, the AC unit, and we're doing a complete redesign for this interior. So the whole reason we got this is to use it as an RV rental on Outdoorsy. If you're not familiar with Outdoorsy, it's kind of like Airbnb for RVs. So it's a nightly rental platform. So we have multiple units right here in Vegas that we do. And we really believe something like this with a really unique custom paint job on the exterior is gonna rent out really well. So our vision for the interior is that we're gonna have a kitchen right here. It's gonna have a stovetop, a sink, some cabinetry below it and above it. Right here where I'm at, there's gonna be a bench, but what's crazy, it's actually gonna become a bunk bed. And then across from me is gonna be the dining area where we're gonna have our dining table and a main sleeping area. All right, I'm right here with Adam. Adam is actually the person who is building this out for us, and he's doing an awesome job. You wanna explain to everybody what's going on right here? It looks like we got all the pieces out.
Yeah, definitely. So basically we're pulling everything out, patching up all the holes, sanding it and getting ready for paint. And we're gonna throw a fresh coat of paint on all the lower pieces and then a different color paint on some of the uppers to give it that two-tone look and looking new.
I love it. What do you foresee as being like the toughest challenge with this?
The toughest challenge, probably because it's fiberglass and so thin, just get everything mounted sturdy, looking seam free because it's all just fiberglass pieces kind of pushed in there. So just getting it back in and get everything reattached, that's probably the biggest challenge, but I think it's gonna look good.
Okay, cool. Thanks for the thoughts.
Yeah, definitely.
So for the outside, we're gonna do a two-tone paint job. So the top will be one color, the bottom half will be a separate color, and then that same color will tie into the wheels, which we are gonna keep. Now, once this unit is done, we plan on listing it on Outdoorsy, and we're based here in Las Vegas, so we do expect a lot of people to be renting it to take it up the coast of California or over to Zion in Utah. If you'd like to learn more about Outdoorsy and how you can earn some money on it, you can go ahead and download our PDF below. It's gonna give you step-by-step instructions on how we've done it and how you can do it as well. I can't wait to see what this finished product looks like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.